Dear listeners, I will discuss on voltage source and current source. A source of electricity is one from which a current or electrical energy is drawn in a conductor or in a device. The conductor or the device in which electrical energy is received is called a load. That is, a source sends electric energy and a load receives it. For example, a torch cell is a source of electricity and a bulb connected to it is called a load. A source of electricity may have its internal resistance or a resistance used in series with the source. It is called the source resistance small r. A load of resistance R is connected to a source as shown in the figure. The source voltage is E and the source resistance is small r. The current through the load is I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r. The voltage across the load V equal to current into resistance of the load R, that is ER R plus R. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by capital R, we have E divided by 1 plus small r by capital R. If R is very less than capital R, small r is very less than capital R, then the voltage V equal to E divided by 1 plus 0, that is E, a constant. The voltage becomes constant. And the load current I equal to E divided by capital R. Thus, we have a constant voltage across the different loads, but the load current are different for different loads. In such a case, the source is called a voltage source, which provides a constant voltage. If small r is very greater than capital R, then the current through the load I equal to E divided by capital R plus small r. Capital R can be ignored, that is E by small r, which is a constant, that is current through the load is constant, and load voltage V equal to E capital R divided by small r. Thus, we have a constant current through different loads, but the load voltage are different for different loads. Such a source is called a current source. in a voltage source, the load is in series with the source resistance small r, as shown in the figure. This is a voltage source. V equal to E. V equal to E when small r is very, very less than capital R. In a current source, the load is in parallel with the source resistance small r. The amount of current is E by small r. This is the current source. And I equal to E by R when capital R is very, very less than small r. The amount of current of the current source is E by R, and it is distributed through capital R and small r, or through the load resistance and the source resistance. According to the current distribution law of current distribution, we may find the load current. Thank you.